Looking for the best drones under $100? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 drones under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, DBPOWER FPV version U818A drone. Pros: 720p HD camera beams footage directly to your smartphone via its companion app. Headless mode and altitude mode are handy for learning how to fly. Low battery alarm reminds you to fly it back before it's too late. Can be controlled exclusively in app. Cons: does not include a SD card, which is essential if you want to save your in-flight footage. Bottom line: at just under $100, this simple-to-control drone caters to newcomers, but more experienced pilots will appreciate its HD camera, precise handling, and dual-speed modes. At number 2, DROCON X708W FPV training quadcopter. Pros: view and record live camera footage via Apple and Android devices. Drone returns to pilot at the press of a button. 2 speeds available. 3 DVR mode. Headless mode for beginners. Cons: this drone's 640 by 480p resolution is on the lower side, but it's passable. Bottom line: its simplistic controls and user-friendly features make it another nice option for first-time drone flyers, but veterans will have a blast with the DROCON once they disable the training wheel modes. At number 1, Holy Stone F181 CRC quadcopter. Pros: 720p HD camera, 50 to 100 meter range. Performs a flip with the press of a button. Incorporates headless mode for easier flight controls. Includes 4GB micro SD card. Highly visible LED light. Cons: the camera cannot sync or connect to a smartphone mid-flight. Bottom line: between its super simple headless mode control scheme, durable frame, terrific camera, and entertaining press to do cool tricks option, this makes for an excellent beginner's quadcopter drone. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.